How to silence unknown calls on iPhone. Have you ever encountered more calls during the day from unknown numbers? And each of them was some kind of promotion or at least spam. If you have ever had the opportunity to experience this, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can silence these calls. To enable this option, we will open the settings on our phone. Once the settings has opened, scroll through the options until you find the option called Phone. When you find it, tap on it. This will open all the options that we can perform on the phone application. We will find the Silence Unknown Callers option in these options and tap on it. A switch will wait for us here, which we need to activate. After activating this option, unknown numbers will be registered in the phone application, but will not ring when someone calls you from an unknown number. In this way, you can save yourself from unwanted calls and ensure peace of mind. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.